Hey everyone, welcome back to TAT Express, your go-to channel for semi-truck maintenance and repair tips. Today, we're diving into a critical component on your semi-truck that often gets overlooked, the rear differential. You don't want to miss this one, especially if you ever heard mysterious knocking noises while accelerating. Let's get right on it. Here's what we encountered. One of our customers came in complaining about a knocking noise whenever they applied throttle. It's a sound that no truck driver wants to hear. What you're hearing now is the rear differential on its last leg. Ignoring this noise could lead to catastrophic failure. When we dug in, we found a worn-out rear differential. The internal components had so much wear and tear that they could no longer operate it as intended. Let me show you what we discovered. Take a look at this. The housing was filled with metal shavings. These shavings are a sign of severe internal damage. The gears were grinding against each other, creating excessive wear. Once we removed the differential, the full extent of the damage was clear. If this had gone unnoticed any longer, it could have resulted in a complete drivetrain failure. Here's why this happened. Over time, the differential's bearing and gears wear down due to high mileage, improper lubrication, or lack of maintenance. And when that happens, the damage compounds rapidly. This is why routine checks and proper maintenance are critical. So how can you prevent this from happening to your semi-truck? Here are some tips to keep your rear differential in top shape. Number 1, regular maintenance. Change your differential fluid accordingly to your manufacturer's recommendation. Dirty or low fluid accelerates wear. Number 2, listen to your truck. If you hear unusual noises like knocking, clunking, or whining, address them immediately. Early diagnosis can save you thousands. Number 3, inspect components. During routine services, ask your technician to inspect differentials for leaks, worn seals, or excessive play in gears. Number 4, don't overload the truck. Overloading puts additional stress on the drivetrain, leading to premature wear. Remember, the rear differential is a critical part on your drivetrain. Ignoring it can leave you stranded and facing costly repairs. Stay proactive and take care of your truck, and it will take care of you. Thanks for tuning in to TAT Express. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights to keep your truck running strong. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or stories about rear differential issues. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe and keep on trucking. Need help with your semi-truck? Check out our shop in Dallas, Texas, or visit our website for more info. See you next time.